Hello guys, welcome to Crazy Creativity with Vedant. My name is Vedant and in today's video we are going to learn how to make a canvas out of newspaper and a cardboard. So for making this you will be requiring these materials. So guys, as you know, we are making a canvas out of newspaper and a small piece of cardboard like I have taken. It's very small. I have just randomly taken it out. And now because we are making a canvas out of this and newspaper. So first we'll take this cardboard and then I have this newspaper. We'll apply glue over it and first we'll stick one layer of newspaper on it. So first let's take some glue. So first let's take some glue and apply it on the corners. Only on the corners. We'll apply only on the corners. Once you apply it on the corners, we'll take the newspaper. We'll open it. And as you can see, one sheet of this, we'll just put it over it. We'll stick it. Yeah, we'll stick it. Make sure it sticks properly. And after that, we'll take our scissors and take out the excess part. So guys, now cut something rough out of the newspaper on our cardboard. Now we will cut it out properly. So guys, first I have sticked one layer of newspaper on it. Now similarly we will apply some glue over it and we'll stick the second layer, third layer and the fourth layer as well. So we'll apply some glue first, and after applying some glue we'll take our newspaper once again. We'll take our newspaper and then stick it on it once again. Now similarly we will cut it and again we will put the second, we'll put the third and the fourth layer on it. So I'll quickly do that and then I'll meet you guys. So guys, now I stick the second layer as well. Now we'll stick the third layer similarly, and for sticking the fourth layer there'll be a different technique which I'll tell you later. So guys, now I have sticked the third layer of newspaper as well on our cardboard, and as you know, I told you for the fourth layer we are not gonna stick it simply like this, but as you know, we are making a canvas and it should look nice, and it should look a little bit professional. We should give it a little bit professional touch, only a little bit. Yeah, that's why for the fourth layer I have cut out a piece of newspaper, and similarly we'll apply glue over here. But after we apply the glue over here, we will apply some glue over here as well on the outer, and we will stick it like this. So what will happen if we stick it like this? It will look something like this, which will give a professional look to our canvas. So for doing that, first let's similarly apply the glue. Yeah, and then after that we will apply and stick this like this. Apply some pressure. Yeah, so I have stick this, and as you can see on the back side we will apply some more glue. So after applied some more glue, we will stick it like this. So guys, now I have stick the fourth layer as well, and as you can see, this is what I was talking about. It gives a little bit professional look to our canvas, and yeah, that's how our canvas is ready. Yeah, it's very simple. Yeah, but there's a thing left. As you can see, this part, it's colored with yellow, and the outline is blue, and this part also. So we need totally everything should be black. It should be black and white. So if you are available with black and white newspaper, you may surely use that. Or if you don't have the leftover strips which had some text written over it, you can simply stick it over it like this, and same with this part, and then you can start painting on this. Similarly, I had painted on other canvas which I had made. Let me show you. So this is what I was talking about. This is the same canvas which I have made a painting on. Yeah, and as you can see in the background, the text is written, which also gives it a nice look. It does not feel like it's on a canvas, but it looks very good, and it also looks very nice. If you look it from far behind, it will totally look that it's made on a canvas. Now similarly, I am going to draw on this canvas which I have made, but I'm not gonna teach you how to make that. I'll just show it how I made it in fast forward. I'll show it to you in the end. So guys, now I have finally created our drawing on the canvas, and it looks something like this. Yeah, it looks nice. I have drawn a shore with some birds and a coconut tree. So it definitely looks nice. As you can see, we have made it on a canvas made out of cardboard and newspaper. You could surely make it. If you show a person that this drawing is made on, not on a canvas but on a canvas which is made by newspaper and cardboard, he would definitely not believe it, because it has turned out so good that the person will think that it is made definitely on a canvas rather than on newspaper and cardboard. So as you can see, because of the newspaper, in the background we have some written text which also gives it a little bit antique and a nice look. It definitely looks that we have made it on a canvas, and yeah, it looks very nice. So you can also make it at home, and you could make it out of different sizes. Make it very small for a fridge magnet, or you could make it very big for a big canvas. Yeah, so that was it for today's video. If you liked the video, guys, please like. I know you watched the video but you don't like, so please like, share it with your friends and family. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And thank you for watching today's video. Bye.